St.Edmund Skul Shillong hakasin thok ding jong katayo kabalala kala penlong ya ka concert kabala ai kerteng Evita kabade ka musical play hakabagi Khynnah Skul kele Bynta hakaban penia la ka sap ka phong hakaban akum ki tung shop ki puran padru akaban ruai ki jing ruai kane ka concert kade shapang ka jing em jong Eva Peron kabade ka kuram ka baar jong president kari Argentina Uwan Peron kabala pau nam bha bat yo bat ya kabor ka jing tre ki kam mon sko bha bat chapang ka Khynnah jong ka jing yap no jong ka.
Don't cry for me, Argentina. The truth is I never left you. All through my wild days, my mad existence, I kept my promise. Distance. And as for fortune, and as for fate, I never invited them in. Though it seems to the world they were all I desired, they are illusions. They are not the solutions they promised to me. The answer is here all the time. I love you and hope you love me. Don't cry for me, Argentina. Just listen to that, the voice of Argentina. We are adored, we are loved.
Statesmanship is more than entertaining peasants.
We shall see, little man. I am only a simple woman who lives to serve Peron. It is noble crusade to rescue his people. I was once as you are now. I have taken these riches from the other gods only for you, for all of you. One day you will inherit these treasures. Decoming sorrows when they fire those cannons, when the crowds sing of glory. It is not just for Peron, but for all of us, all of us.
New Argentina, the chains of the masters of time. A new Argentina, the voice of the people cannot be and will not be and must not be denied.
Things are pretty fast, but someone pretty knows. Can't see something but your despicable class is dead. Look who they are calling for now.
High flying adored, so young, the instant queen, a rich, beautiful thing, of all the talents, a cross between a fantasy of a bedroom and a saint. You were just a bench sweeper, singing, fighting, swatching and biting, high flying adored. Did you believe in your wildest moments? All this would be yours, that you'd become the lady of them all. Were the stars in your eyes when you crawled in at night? From the bars, from the sidewalks, from dark under the theatrical. Don't look down, it's a long way to fall. People of Europe, I send you the rainbow of Argentina. Spain has fallen to the charms of Evita. What she likes, it doesn't matter. She said you were going down with the golden touch. Filled up pouring for the 5,000 seats. But if you're really a General Franco, that's not mine.
You are, I told you so. Makes no difference where she goes. The whole world over just the same. You should have heard them call her name. And who would underestimate the actress now?
Now I don't like to spoil a wonderful story. The news from Rome isn't quite as simple. She hasn't gone down like we thought she would. Italy's unconvinced by Argentine glory. They praise her on with Mussolini. Can't think why.
Did you hear that? They called me a whore. They actually called me a whore.
But Senora Peron, it's an easy mistake. I've had the trouble too. I'm still called an admiral, yet I gave up the sea long ago. Things aren't all that bad. She met with the Pope. She got a member like a nation of the kindly word. So even if the cars give a lady the bird, she has a time in early access, does have some hope. But she's still made a fabulous impact, caught the eye.
Let's hear it for the rainbow story. An incredible success. Work my show, we had it down.
Would Evita win through?
But the answer is
Unqualified.
yes. Here for the rainbow story. An incredible success. Work my show, we had a few doubts. But Evita withdrew, but the answer is yes.
Strawberry, so
serve you done well by the happy Christmas. It's only something stop, figures get in the way. Maybe anyone who cares as much as ever better. She's all they have. She's a diamond in their dull gray lives, and that's the hardest kind of storm it usually survives. And when you think about it, can you recall the last time you loved anyone at all? She's not a bauble you can brush aside. She's been out doing what we just talk about. Example, gave us back our businesses, got the English out. And when you think about it, well, why not do one or two the things we promised to? But on the other hand, she's slowing down. She's lost a little of that magic drive, but I would not advise those Christmas presents to the right. Any satisfaction from a fading star. She's the one who's kept us where we are.
She's the one who's kept you where you are.
Lives are rolling, the nights are up. Would-be presidents are all around. I don't say they mean harm, but they each given arms to see us 6 feet underground.
But we still have the magic we've always had. That they come inside us to worship me. We arrive thanks to them and no one else. No thanks to your generals, a clutch of stuffed cuckoos.
It's not a question of a big parade, proving we're big with the mobs on the streets. Our problems are closer than that, they're along the corridor.
You're wrong. The people, my people.
The people belong to no one. The Africa can be manipulated, controllable, changeable. In the end, the people don't matter. However much they love you now, it matters more. And as far as my stuffed cuckoos are concerned, you don't officially or politically exist.
So I don't exist, so I count for nothing. Try saying that on the streets when all over the world I am Argentina. Most of your generals wouldn't be recognized by their own mothers. But they'll admit I exist when I become vice president.
That won't work We've been through all of this before. They'll find it time to make you vice president to the nail. You will never overcome that sort of opposition with 100 rallies, and even if you did,
Yes,
your little body slowly breaking down. You're losing speed, you're losing strength, not style that goes on flourishing forever. But your eyes, your smile, do not have the sparkle of your fantastic past. If you climb one more mountain, it could be your last.
I'm not that real. Bad moments come, but they go. Some days are fine, some a little bit harder. But I know has been is the same old routine. Have you ever seen me defeated? Don't you forget what I've been through, and yet I'm still standing. And if I knew, it could even be to your advantage.
This is not a case of a sympathetic word in the gossip column because you got a cold, or try to point out that you might die.
I want to tell the people of Argentina, I've decided I should declare all the honors and titles you've pressed me to take, for I'm contented. Let me simply go as the woman who brings her people to the heart of battle. Don't cry for me, Argentina, for the truth is I shall not leave you, though it make it harder for you to see me. I'm Argentina and always will be. Have I said too much? There's nothing more I can think of to say to you. But all you have to do is look at me to know that every word is true. The choice is mine and mine completely. I could have any prize that I desire. I could buy with a splendor the brightest fire, or else I could choose
best show in town was the crowd outside the Casa Rosada crying Vampiro. But that's all gone now.
Viva, beware your ambition. It's hungry and cold, can't be controlled, run wild.
Screw the middle classes, I will never accept them.
A new Argentina, the chains of the masses untied. A new Argentina, the voice of the people cannot be and will not be and must not be denied. High flying adored, so young, the instant queen, the rich, beautiful thing of all the times, a cross between a fantasy of a bedroom and a saint. Sing you fools, but you got it wrong. Enjoy your place, cause you haven't got long. Your queen is dead, your king is through. She's not coming back to you. Money was raised to build a tomb, a monument for Evita. Only the pedestal was created, and Evita's body disappeared for 17 years.
Thank you, friends. Thank you. And what can I say? Congratulations to St.Edmund's boys and girls and the musicians.